Hello, in this video I will show you how to unblock someone on Facebook. Now it's a very easy process. So open your browser, then open Facebook. Now click on your profile at the top right. Go to settings and privacy. Click on settings. Now just scroll down and you will find the option of blocking. Click on this option. Now under blocking users, click on edit. Now just click on see your blocked list. And over here you will find all the people that you have blocked so far. All you have to do is to unblock them. Click on unblock option in front of their name. Then click on confirm. And then that person will be unblocked. So wait for a few seconds and it's now unblocked. Now if you go back to the friend section, you will be able to see them. So in find friends, then go to all friends, you will find that particular friend. If you refresh the option, as you can see, they are now in the list. But in most of the cases, if you block someone over here, they will most probably be also unfriended on your account. So you might have to send friend requests to them again. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel and take care.